in today's video, I'm going to do another makeup look, but guys, this is going to be different from my old videos because I was more into dark color, but this time I'm going to make it different. I'll be going into colorful eyeshadow or makeup look, and I can't wait to start actually. So this is my first time doing this, but yeah, let's do it. So of course, mag-start sa atong primer. Okay. So you remember me. Bala kayong mama guys. Bala akong mama. Pasensya na akong mama. But you know na, every mother is 100 na sila. But I love them. I love my mama. We do hate our mother sometimes, but you know, it's part of life. We hate, we love, we hate, we love. As long as at the end of the story, we love. So we're done with our primer, guys. It's already dry. It's sticky a bit, but it's dry. It's great. Now let's go ahead and do the eyebrows. So since guys, tayo colorful. So I'm gonna use this for my hair. I don't know if this will work, but I'll try. So you remember me.
Oh no!
Wow, below this. So I'm just no. May makarulit anong kilaya baka labtang ditis kaayo. Wala ka, uy, kahadlok maninintang may kilay, no? So, ano? Wisit. Diba? Guys, wala tayo kilay. Yan na siya. Nawa na dito itong kilay. So, my God, I look different without my kilay. Or, may kilay nga pero blondie. But yes, let's go ahead and do our eyebrow. So guys, atong color sa atong eyebrow, probably like orange then pink. Kasi parang good combination. Ambot lang. So mag-start na sa orange. Pero ka nag-animator, char, or anime whatever character. Pink. Try na to mag-conceal. Pwede na ba na siya? Ang good guys. Ay, naunsa naman yung ang manok na pala mukhang mataba. So guys, magkanta-kanta ka po guys. It's been said and done. Every beautiful thought's been already sung. And I guess right now here's another one. Your melody, we're playing on it now. Okay, we are done with our killing. The best of them. You are beautiful. Like a dream come alive. Incredible.
Yeah!
So yep, dyan na tayo sa ating kilay, dyan na tayo sa ating eyeshadow. Siyempre, huwag natin kalimutan yung concealer natin. So you remember me. Itong samad sa ilong no, kay yun na, my God. Ano na samad ka, besh? Ano siya samad, uy, kung ano ni siya ka na bitang nagasgas. So, ito naman siyang tabunan, no? Like, tabunan natin siya gamay. So, we're done putting the concealer. Manok na pula, mukhang matapang. So, we are done putting our concealer. So, let's go ahead and put our setting powder. Setting powder. So, ito po yung setting powder natin. Nalagyan na natin dito. Banda dito, banda dito. Yan. Banda dito, yan. Para ano na siya. Pero hindi siya mamaya sa eyeshadow natin. Hindi siya masisira. Hindi siya mag-kiki. Kiki daw eh. Kiki, do you love me? Alam mo guys, kiki means like it. Pero mamaya na yan kasi pa yan. Lulutuin pa ng ating concealer. Guys, tip ko lang sa inyo kung may kayo, may acne or something like that. Nakita ko rin Nabaon na po namin sa isa ka beauty vlogger. Kung gusto ka magdugay makanang matagunan jud ko na imong acne, dapat kung mag-concealer ka, imo siyang ibabad sa concealer before nimo i-blend. So that's it. So let's go ahead and do our freaking eyeshadow. I think violet would be perfect. Say you remember me, see the in the nice dress. Na 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 na, baby. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. So parang ano to na violet, parang shiny. So let's go with the pink here. Dito sa crease lang po siya, dito banda. So ngayon magagamit tayo ng ibang brush. Blue na tayo guys. See you remember me. Guys, lagay muna tayo, then ganyan tayo. Makikita natin kung saan, ano. Iwan ko ba guys kung nabagay ba tong kilay natin dito sa ano natin eyeshadow. Ito na yan. Hanapan natin yan ng paraan as always. Lahat naman na problema may paraan. May solusyon. Guys, ang ingay ng ano? Ang ingay ng aso. Ng ano namin pusa sa ibabaw. Char, ibabaw. Guys, blue na tayo ha. So, lagyan natin ng white dito. So, dito sa lower part guys, ang blue and pink lang nilagay natin, no? So, lagyan natin ng konting concealer dito. So, tapos na ating eyeshadow. Ito na yung final look natin. So, of course, let's go to the other one. Good luck to me. Done with our eyeshadow, guys. Let's move on to our foundation. Eh, dami ano. And now, let's go ahead and do the setting powder. Okay, we're done with our foundation. Check muna natin. And then let's go with our concealing. So now let's do the baking powder. Yun, let's do the, take off the, what do you call this? Baking powder. Now you're done with our nose blush on. Let's go to the lips. Bagay na ba? We're done with our lips! Kamot ang ilong dish, eh. So anyway, we are done with our look. And let's go ahead and fix our hair. Our top.
That's it, sweeties, and I hope you like this makeup look, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.